Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is the names of instrumentalists. Our topic is the names of instrumentalists. The person that plays piano is called pianist. The person that plays organ is called organist. The person that plays guitar is called guitarist. The person that plays recorder is called recordist. The person that plays saxophone is called saxophonist. The person that plays flute is called flutist. The person that plays trumpet is called trumpeter. The person that plays drum set is called drummer. The person that plays violin is called violinist. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.